hope you guys are well. I know I look crusty. Yo, I look so crusty. But I'm gonna glow up. Give me some time. Within this very same vlog, I'm gonna look so different. It's gonna be ridiculous. Anyway, welcome to a new vlog. Yeah, I've got some errands to run, 2 events in one day. But first I had to go get some medication. I have a sick patient there at home. Do some mummy duties. There's an open day crash in Meningi attend them. And then there's a thrifting experience event that I also have to attend. So I thought, why not vlog? Yeah, so let's not talk, let's do something, okay? Let's be active. Yeah, with your schooling? Yeah. Oh, will you crash? You're schooling? Yo, up in the months. Happy back. Magpal, just as a big yam. Tina, magunjani crash?
Mfuni.
Why?
Mfuni.
Why?
Mfuni.
Uzoya crash.
Mfuni.
Uzoya a crash.
Mfuni.
Putsilo. Uzoya crash. On another note, I tried this Red Bull. I think I'll go back to the original one. I'm not a fan. Because I need this energy. I didn't drink coffee today, so I might as well indulge. So I decided ukuthi ngihambe ngiyofunela abantwana ukudla because azange nje ngizipheke on this day. I bought them pizza and then I bought myself and my partner some food. Just ukuthi babambise because I knew I was going to come back late. And it's because I'm a potoshem on this day. So I decided to buy them something to eat before I leave the house. And I was so conflicted, guys. I didn't know whether to just do my baby hair or to try and like a week. So I was just thinking, Guti, how should I go about it? Naile wiki, guys. Let's just continue with the video. This week just gave me a headache. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, do you miss your touch? I needed to.
just know you want you. So come close, I want you. Want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed you, I needed you. Needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence.
Okay, I'm done. Ngiyigluile. I'm done being a mom. I'm off to Intangazam.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed you, I needed you. Needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there.
So at the time of me editing this vlog, it's been over a month of me using these pots regularly. So I think they are quite good for daily use. Yeah, I once bought a non-stick pan like a ShopRite. I can't, but I wanted to get amapot engizowasebenzisa every single day. So this is what I got, and they're not too bad. Yes.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never